Jaime Hui and the two handsome guys from the East Life group prank each other in a show. East Life watch a video, thinking they're about to prank Jaime Hui. They're thrilled and even practice with cream cannons in preparation. Armed with cream cannons, the guys burst through a door, ready to prank Jaime Hui. But instead, they find 35 women dressed and styled exactly like her. The confusion is instant, and their confident grins turn into utter shock. She jokes, "Do you know how much all this weighs?" The guys reply, "At least 35 kilograms. Jaime Hui is thinking she's one step ahead. Jaime Hui gleefully orders the guys to fire their cannons. They count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hit the button. Nothing happens. Turn around, the guys suggest with a sly grin. Jaime Hui looks back to see a car pulling away from the beach shack. Suddenly, she sees 35 cream cannons fire directly at her. The guys yell, "Fire!" Japanese pranks know no limits. That's it for today's episode.